Here, Nutty. Recently purchased this battery on eBay to replace on my iPhone SE 2016. It says it's high capacity, so as I scroll down here, it says the capacity is about 1900 versus the stock 1620 something. So that should come out to be 17% more battery capacity if it's true. So came in this little box, and here's my phone. I already plugged it in and ran the test. And so it shows that the capacity is indeed 1624. I mean, not 1624, 1907. So 1900. And the good thing is the cycle count is 1, so it is a new battery. I'm not sure if Coconut Battery is grabbing this correct information, but this shows it's over 3 years old. So that's just the one negative about it. Could possibly be 3 years old and they repackaged it, which is fine, because at least hopefully the cycle count is correct. So the only thing I want to make about this video is just to check to see if the capacity was as advertised, and it was. So let's see how long this phone lasts. I mean, this battery lasts.